How you doing? Dave Barodinelli with MarineMax Boston, and today I'm going to take you aboard the Cruisers 38 GLS. This particular boat is powered with triple 300 V8 Verados, of course joystick control, skyhook feature. Coming in, you'll see on the starboard side we have a fold down door. Again, very popular nowadays, gives you a lot more space when you're hanging out on anchor or even at the dock. Back here you've got a nice area for sitting facing aft, or of course when you're underway sitting facing forward. You do have lots of storage underneath there because being an outboard boat. You'll see that this boat has the sea deck, of course, in the cockpit here. You've got dual tables. Over here on the port side, you've got your refrigerator, electric Canyon grill, freshwater sink, and more storage underneath here. So a really nice prep station. Here you've got two bar stools, really nice layout, great entertaining boat. And then of course at the helm, double wide helm seat, dual Simrad MFDs, and then of course you've got your controls and joystick over here. Coming down, the 38 GLS is not just a day boat, but it also can be an overnight boat. So you've got two sleeping areas, so you can sleep four. In the forward area, you've got your dinette. Of course, this converts to a berth. You do have another fridge, microwave, TV. And then in the back, you do have another sleeping area for two adults. You also have a full enclosed head, vacuum flush toilet, hot and cold shower. So plenty of amenities to do an overnight weekend. Coming forward, the bow area of the GLS, really nice entertaining space. Cruisers does a good job with storage. Anywhere they could put it, they have put it. And here in the bow, you can see you've got a nice big wide seat here. Of course, you've got armrest. You do have a table that is removable. And then forward, you've got your concealed automatic anchor windlass. Again, this is a quick walkthrough of the new 38 Cruisers GLS. For more information, visit us at marinemax.com or give me a call at 401-569-3874. Thanks again.